guys, so I finally got it back. Got it here in my garage. And I was gonna wait until the morning to start working on it, but literally just can't wait, so let's break right into it. So one of the main issues here is that the airbag's blown and this fender right here is kind of jammed up against the door. So in order to get in and out of this car without causing any damage, I'm going to unbolt this fender here so I could get in and out, and then I might cut that airbag and see what's up. So as I was removing this airbag here, I noticed something very strange. This car belonged to a very, very dirty person. I've been cleaning out trash for a few minutes now. This is crazy. Looks like he got some. Looks like they smoked. They tried to eliminate the smoke, and they like Tropicana. So I figured out what happened to my car. If you look real close there, you can see deer hair. And right there, someone hit a deer in this car. Alright, gonna give you guys a quick update on what we did. We took the radiator out and all the support brackets and everything. We straightened up a few middle pieces, ordered some that we could not straighten out. And parts are on the way, so ordered a headlight. Whenever they get here, we will continue. So what I decided I'm going to go ahead and do is remove all the hardware out of this bumper, like the fog light bezel and the grill. The rest of the bumper though is completely destroyed from the deer though. So while the parts are on their way, I'm seriously considering getting rid of these stripes. I'm going to have to anyway because this roof right here is actually dented. So I'm probably going to get started on that. Alright, so I got the headliner down so I can pop out the dents on the roof. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove those stripes. That way I can kind of get a better picture of what's going on and see if I can get as close as I can. So I heated it up and I popped the passenger side out. It almost looks perfect. So now I just got to do the driver's side here. I got a mallet. It's been working out for me. So what we went ahead and did is we went ahead and already bought the paint. We're getting started on the sanding process. We're going to start with the roof and go from there. So our first part came in. It looks like it's the AC condenser. So I can't really do much with the car until the radiator gets here because it kind of all goes together. We do got the roof sanded down. It's kind of telling me where the highs and lows are, where that deer bounced off the hood. So hopefully when we get some body filler in there, we can level out some of these bumps. So anytime you're doing any body filler work, you're going to want to have a fan going. Something to kind of keep the dust off you. Stuff's pretty hard for you to breathe in. Yeah, so it looks like I got some more parts in. Alright, so it looks like I got a fender. I believe the other part is a bumper cover. So here's kind of the process of removing the emblem. I got a hairdryer here. A heat gun would work better, however I do not have one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and heat up this emblem. Alright, so now that we got it heated up, I went ahead and took some dental floss. And I'm just going to put it behind the emblem, get it started. Alright, so now I'm actually going to go ahead and replace the airbag here. I got the new one right here, and I'm going to show you all how to do it. So actually what you probably need is an Allen key, probably a size 4. What I did is I just fabricated me one of these, ground it off the end. So there's 2 little holes on each side of the steering wheel, right behind the paddle shifters, right there, and right there. So this kind of gives you all a better idea of kind of what's going on here. So right there's the clip, and what you're going to want to do, whenever you put your pick through that hole, you want to actually push that tab in, and that releases the airbag. So right here on the back of the airbag, you got 3 clips you're going to actually have to undo. The red one right over there is your horn, and these 2 are your airbag ignition. So in order to get your airbag off of here, those orange tabs right there on the back of those tabs, you're going to want to lift those up and pull out. Alright, so here's what we got done so far. We got the new radiator put in along with the AC condenser. We ended up putting the new fender on. So now all it needs is paint. Right now we're matching up the body lines. And I actually ended up putting the headliner back up. So we're all good there. Look at him. So the new hood just came in and we got it on. We installed it, lined up the body lines with the new fender. Everything's looking good. So this is a fiberglass hood, so we actually had to end up sanding some imperfections down, and we're going to try to get it as close as we can and get it painted. So right now we're doing a little bit of wet sanding on the body filler. That way the paint will lay down just right. Alright, so we got the bumper cover on. Right now we're just taping off the paint. Alright, so now we're spraying down the garage so we can mitigate the dust and debris. So now we're going to go ahead and start mixing the paint. Look at that right there, it's beautiful. Look at that, grabber blue. So we're pouring into the filter. Where are we going to get this to? What's the ratio?
We want to try a 4 to 1.
4 to 1 ratio of base coat and reducer.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.